Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Twitter marketing we'll discuss some of the tools that are associated with Twitter and of course with the rest of the social media platforms. The tools that are extremely important and essential in actually having a very good Twitter campaign or Twitter advertising. Some of the analytical tools that are available first and foremost is of course the Twitter Analytics. It is an inbuilt analytical tool that Twitter offers for free. It is available on Twitter for us in all the accounts that we create. It is an extremely important tool that you need to use extensively and regularly to make sure your campaign or your social media campaign on Twitter is doing very well so that you can take informed decisions. Then we have got Hootsuite. It is a very good tool, a paid tool that provides extensive, elaborate and comprehensive information on not just on Twitter performance but also on the rest of the social media platforms such as Facebook and others. Hootsuite is a very good tool extensively used by major companies from all around the world. Then you have some of the management tools such as Bitly, Social Bakers and Twiroid. Very good tool how you can actually manage the entire performance of the Twitter, the Facebook, LinkedIn and other social media platforms. It is an extensive tool and very good tool that every social media campaign manager should have or company should have. Then we have Crowdfire and Manage Flitter, very good tools. They provide complete comprehensive illustrative information in terms of how your Twitter campaign is doing and what kind of changes or improvement that you can think of improving and insightful information so that you can actually take informed decisions based on the information provided by these tools and go on doing continuous improvement for improved success on Twitter marketing. In this session, what we have seen in this video is analytical tools, management tools and other tools that are required for your Twitter campaign. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.